Ducati Panigale V2. The new motorcycle is the replacement of the 959 Panigale and is the latest super sport offering from the Italian bike maker. Yes, it was unveiled a few weeks back at the World Ducati premiere, but at Eicma 2019, it made its first public appearance. Now, before we move forward, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to stay notified for all the latest news from Eicma 2019. Now, coming back to the motorcycle, the first thing that you will notice is its styling. Ducati engineers have given it a complete makeover and it is more in sync with the flagship Panigale. The edgy LED headlights look devilish and is identical to the Panigale V4. Moving forward, the fairing is also all new for better aerodynamics. But the Panigale V2 doesn't get the winglets as seen on the Panigale V4. Two crucial styling elements on the Panigale V2 are the inclusion of a single-sided swing arm which looks sexy. Also, the large ugly-looking exhaust mufflers of the 959 Panigale have been replaced by a stubbier unit which flows well with the overall styling. It also features an all-new TFT screen with a revised switchgear. The tail section is also sharper and is identical to the Panigale V4 with a LED tail light. Speaking about the engine, the V2 is powered by a 955cc motor producing 155 PS of power and 104 Nm of torque. Interestingly, Ducati still calls the engine a L-twin and not a V-twin. Anyways, moving forward, the engine is Euro 5 compliant and features a 6-speed gearbox, while a bidirectional quickshifter comes standard. The electronics package on the new motorcycle has also been inspired from the Panigale V4. It includes a 6-axis IMU unit, 4 rider modes, traction control, wheelie control, cornering ABS and engine brake control. The aluminium monocoque frame has been suspended on fully adjustable Showa Big Piston fork and a fully adjustable Sachs monoshock unit at the rear. So when will Ducati launch the Panigale V2 in India? We expect the new motorcycle to make its debut by mid-2020 and is likely to be priced around Rs 16 lakh ex-showroom. So what's your take on the new Panigale V2? Share your opinions in the comment section and thank you for watching.